Hey everyone, it's Matt from Matt's RV Reviews. I'm super excited to announce my official partnership with Blue Compass RV. So with that, I'm gonna tell you the 3 things I love the most about the 2026 Jayco Greyhawk 30Z, which is hands down one of my favorite Class C motorhomes in the RV industry. First is this rear slide out that you don't normally see in the RV industry. Also, because of this, you're able to get some incredible storage on the outside of this motorhome that you can access from all 3 sides. Next is going to be the exterior. I love this seamless molded fiberglass front cap. The seam is actually right underneath here, not in the vulnerable ports right there, so it's less likely to leak that way. I love the fact that they give you a windshield, and I love the beautiful blacked out edition on this Jayco Greyhawk. From the wheels to the paint to the windows, looks absolutely fantastic. So number 3 is going to be the most incredible living room area in a Class C motorhome. Very nice dinette that drops down, but here's where it's special. You have an actual living room in this Class C. You have theater seats right here that sits directly across from the entertainment center, and check this out. The biggest TV in a Class C motorhome in the RV industry. You get kind of this nice living room area. Storage above here, and a fireplace that actually produces heat from electricity. The reason why I love that, if you just need to take the chill off, you don't need to be using or burning through your propane. This works completely off of electric. These are just 3 personal reasons why I love the Jayco Greyhawk 30Z. And again, I'm partnered with Blue Compass RV, and we have over 100 dealerships coast to coast in 33 states. So if you guys want to find the closest Jayco dealership to you and get the best price in America, click the link down below, go to our website, bluecompassrv.com.
Dreaming of the open road? We've got RV tours, must-know tips, and epic destinations waiting for you. Subscribe to Blue Compass RV and let the adventure begin.